Let's look at if day 3, the notes or I suppose the program example that we have. And we're focused on two things here. One is if statements, and then the second is static methods. 1, have a user enter a name. Write a static method starts that returns true if the name starts with A, B, or C, false if the word starts with a different letter. So let's do that. We're going to import Java util and scanner. Let's do scanner keyboard is equal to new scanner system in. Let's do the prompt system out print line, or print that is. Enter your name, and we're going to do string key name is equal to keyboard next. So we'll just assume it's going to be one line. What are we doing? Starts. Let's call it, and it's true. So system out print line, and it starts, and we're going to send it the name. Now we got to go down here to do our static method, public static, and we're returning a Boolean. It's called starts, and it's receiving a string name. If, let's go with name dot substring 01. If that dot equals A, then we will return true. Return true. Now let's copy this for B and C. So we'll copy, and then I'll press enter B and C, and we gotta let's space this correctly. Let's go back like that, back like this. We gotta change this A to a B, and then we gotta change the next one to a C. But if we run this, here, watch. Let's run this. This will not work. There is an error on this. Return, missing return statement. We cannot have all the return statements in if statements. So let's return false if none of those are true. So we can run this, I believe, if didn't make any mistakes. And the test is Bob, and that's going to be true. Now if we run this, and Kathy, that starts with a C, that's true. Doug, nope, that is false. Create a class called math. So let's create math Java class math. I think we're just doing add and subtract. We're going to do math contains two static methods, add and subtract. Call the two methods statically with two parameters, 5 and 4. So we're going to go public, and we're going to make this static as well. It's going to return an integer, and we'll call it add. Int A, int B. And all we're going to do is return A plus B. The whole point of this is making a static method in a class and calling it statically. In other words, without using an object. I think the other one wanted, I think it said call it subtract. So we'll do minus main, and then call the two methods statically with parameters 5 and 4. So system out, print line, add 5, 4. Now it won't find it this way because it'll look in the main body here. It'll look down here. See, it already says can't find it. But we're not going to use an object to call this. We're going to just say, well, look in the math class. It's a static method. Look in the math class to find that method. And then we'll do the same thing for subtract 5, 4. So the two answers will be 9 and 1. And looks good to me. Abby, yep, true, 9 and 1.